Hi there, welcome back. We're going to play through Iowa by Dar Williams. If you need to review the tutorial about any of the specifics, please do. We're just going to dive right in here with two quick reminders. We're in the key of G, using and practicing our pop progression. G to D to E minor to C. Not the only pattern that comes up, but that's kind of the focus of our study here, so just a reminder of that. And the slow rock strum. Here it is up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 up, down, down. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, so find your groove with me. We'll get ready. Here's the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have never had a way with women, but the hills of Iowa make me wish that I could. And I have never found a way to say I love you, but if the chance came by, oh, I would. But you know, way back where I come from, we never mean to bother. We don't like to make our passions other people's concern. We walk in the world of safe people, and at night we walk into our houses and burn. Here's the chorus. Let's try that again. Oh, Verse 2. How I long to fall just a little bit, to dance out of the lines and stray from the light. But I fear that to fall in love with you is to fall from a great and gruesome height. So you know I asked a friend about it on a bad day. Her husband had just left her. She sat down on the chair he'd left behind. She said, "What is love? Where did it get me? Whoever thought of love is no friend of mine." Chorus. Again. Little break here. G to D, same as the intro. E minor to C, G over to D, back to G. Verse 3. Once I had everything, I gave it up for the shoulder of your driveway and the words I never felt. And so for you I come this far, across the tracks, 10 miles above the limit, with no seatbelt, and I'd do it again. For tonight I went running through the screen doors of discretion, for I woke up from a nightmare that I could not stand to see. You were wandering out on the hills of Iowa, One more time. Yeah, nicely done. Thanks for joining me on that one. Feel free to come on back, practice with me anytime you need. Remember, you can always leave the chords out if you want to practice just that new strum pattern. You can leave the strumming out to focus on the chord progression. You can also slow it down if I was going too fast for you. Click that settings wheel below and playback speed. That should help you out as well. As I said, come on back whenever you need. Choose your own adventure each time and enjoy your practice in between. See you next time. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.